How to add TikTok widgets to your iPhone home screen. Let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, open App Store on your device and search for TikTok. Make sure the app is up to date. Mine is showing update here, so I will go ahead and update the app. For the app to perform smoothly, you have to make sure that you are using an updated version. Once updated, tap hold on your home screen until the app starts to jiggle. Tap on the plus symbol on the left side of your screen. You will see all the widgets available on your device. Scroll down and search for TikTok. You will be given several options on what kind of widgets you want to add. The first widget is your TikTok story, so you can stay on top of what your friends are up to. The second one is again creating a story, which is similar to the first one. The third one is your TikTok rewards. So if you are in a country where TikTok rewards is enabled, you can use this to see it. The fourth, fifth, and the sixth one is what is trending on social media right now on TikTok. So you can have a smaller version or the 4-in-1 version or a larger version of this. Then you have who is live now, so you can see the trending live users on TikTok. And lastly, you can add a search widget from your TikTok app. So you can search or you can see who is following you, or you can post directly from there, or you can check your inbox. Now to add a widget, go ahead and select widget of your choice and then tap on add widget, and with this your TikTok widget will now be added to your home screen. You can drag it and place it anywhere you like. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.